Good morning, students. This is ninth class worksheet 8, Unit 1 Reading C Little Bobby. Reading comprehension. Now choose the correct answers. First question, the number of letters that Bobby wrote to God is 3, 4, 5, 6. He wrote 5 letters to God. He tore the first letter because the writing was not good. What he wrote was not true. His mother did not accept it. His wish was not correct. So second one, B is correct answer. What he wrote was not true. Third question, if we observe from the first letter to the last letter, B is correct answer. His claim of bad behavior is increasing. So fourth question, he requested the God for a red bike, bicycle, laptop, blue bike. A is correct answer. Red bike. Bobby himself knew that he was a good boy. He was not a good boy. He deserved a bike. He was a very rude boy. B is correct answer. He was not a good boy. Sixth question, Bobby was upset because B is correct answer. Those letters were not going to reach the God. Seventh question, Bobby's mother thought that her plan had worked. The above sentence suggests that B is correct answer. She believed that he would change his behavior with this treatment. What did Bobby do in the church? He offered prayer. He sang carols, prayer songs. He picked up the statue of Mary. He picked up the statue of Jesus. C is correct answer. He picked up the statue of Mary. Ninth question. What condition did Bobby place for the God? B is correct answer. If the God wanted his mother, he should send him a bike. Tenth question. The whole passage is presented in a B is correct answer, humorous way. Section 2, vocabulary and grammar. 11th question, he went downstairs. Choose the opposite word of the underlined word. Downstairs ki opposite word upstairs. B is correct answer. He slipped the statue under his shirt. Choose the meaning of the underlined word. Slipped ki choose meaning, similar meaning. Sixth one is, D is correct answer, hid something. 13th question, little Bobby went into the church and up to the altar. Choose the word that is often confused for the underlined word. Here, if you observe, in these four options, altar, falter, altar, alert. So here, spelling is different and but pronunciation is same. Altar, altar. ఇక్కడ మనకు ఇచ్చిన సెంటెన్స్లో చూసినట్టయితే దట్ ఈస్ ఏఎల్టీఏఆర్, ఇక్కడ ఏఎల్టీఈఆర్ వస్తుంది స్పెల్లింగ్. సో సి ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. 14th one, he took a piece of paper and pen. Replace the underlined word with a suitable word. A is correct answer. PIECE, peace. 15th question, which word is odd among the other words? Church, statue, kitchen, altar. C is odd one out. Section 3, editing part. 6th, friends, family, media and advertisements influence how do we feel about our body. 16th question, B is correct answer. Friends, family, media and advertisements influence how we feel about our body. How do we feel? How we feel రావాలి. So B is correct answer. 17th question, we may even think about to change our looks. A is answer. We may even think about changing our looks. టు చేంజ్కి బదులుగా చేంజింగ్ అని చెప్పి రావాలి. 18th one, hence we did not make our body. D is correct answer, but we do not make our body. 19th one, we need not to take pride in or feel ashamed of our body. D is correct answer. We need not take pride in or feel ashamed of our body. 20th, they need to feel shame of their behavior, not us. A is correct answer. They need to feel ashamed. షేమ్కు బదులుగా ashamed అనే వర్డ్ రావాలి. ఆఫ్ దేర్ బిహేవియర్, నాట్ అస్. Now section 4, creative writing. In this segment we have studied how Bobby writes a letter and later creates a fake kidnapping situation that created humor. So in this story you have studied about the Bobby, what type of letters he wrote to God, and after that he created a situation that he kidnapped the Mother Mary, Mother Mary statue. సో దట్ ఆల్ దోస్ థింగ్స్ ఇఫ్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ వీ విల్ గెట్ హ్యూమరస్, అంటే మనకి చాలా నవ్వు వస్తుంది అనమాట ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్ అంతా చూస్తే. ఇమాజిన్ యువర్ ఆస్ టు రైట్ ఏ లెటర్ టు గాడ్. జస్ట్ ఇమాజిన్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇఫ్ యువర్ ఆస్ టు రైట్ ఏ లెటర్ టు గాడ్ ఆస్కింగ్ హిమ్ టు గివ్ యూ గుడ్ మార్క్స్. దేవుణ్ణి అడిగి ఏమని అడగాలంటే మీరు గుడ్ మార్క్స్ అండ్ ర్యాంక్, మంచి ర్యాంక్ ఎగ్జామ్లో ఇవ్వమని చెప్పేసి అడిగినట్లయితే మీరు ఎలా రాస్తారు లెటర్? యూ కెన్ ఇంక్లూడ్ దీస్ డీటెయిల్స్. యువర్ అకాడమిక్ స్టాండర్డ్స్ ఫస్ట్ సెల్ఫ్ చెక్ చేసుకోవాలన్నమాట. మీరు మీ అకాడమిక్ స్టాండర్డ్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి, వెదర్ యూ డూ హార్డ్ వర్క్ ఆర్ నాట్, నువ్వు మంచిగా చదువుతావా లేదా. ఇంకా యువర్ పేరెంట్స్ ఒపీనియన్ ఆన్ యూ, నీ పైన మీ యొక్క పేరెంట్స్ ఒపీనియన్ ఏంటి, వెదర్ యూ హ్యావ్ హార్డ్ వర్కింగ్ నేచర్ ఆర్ నాట్. సో వాట్ యూ యాక్చువల్లీ వాంటెడ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద గాడ్, నీకు నిజంగా దేవుడి నుంచి ఏం కావాలని కోరుకుంటున్నావు అని కూడా యూ హ్యావ్ టు మెన్షన్ అండ్ రైట్ ఏ స్టోరీ.